Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize NIC to access insights into your lifebook. These insights help you proactively engage clients, protect existing businesses, and open new sales opportunities. To access these insights, click on the Insights button on the left-hand navigation. This will bring you into your Life Insights page by default. But if you also have the annuity program, you can access your annuity insights by selecting the Annuities button here. On the Life Insights page, you can see a breakdown of your in-force book, including a breakdown of all of your policies by value, a breakdown of all of your policies by status, new policies in the last 30 and 90 days, as well as the last year, and a breakdown of your book by product type, including your term block, your universal life block, and your whole life block. One of the most valuable insights is the policy status breakdown. From here, you can see any lapse pending policies, policies that have already lapsed, policies that are suspended or surrendered, and any policies where there is a death claim paid or pending. There may be multiple additional statuses depending on the age and makeup of your in-force book. If you wanted to see the list of policies, click on the blue numbers on the right-hand side to be redirected to a lists page. From this list page, you can dig into the policy details and take the necessary steps to engage your client. All of these insights can lead to client discussions, and many client discussions will lead to new sales opportunities. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.